This 2017 Tiffin Phaeton 36GH is a Class A RV. It is located in Perry, Iowa, 50220 and is offered for sale by McKee RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Tiffin is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features a midnight, Tranquil, vintage interior, sleeps 5, Slideout, and 90 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features outdoor entertainment, U-shaped dinette. This 2017 Tiffin Phaeton 36GH is built on a Freightliner chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.